If you're wondering whether our Rytr or ProWritingAid offers a better AI tool for improving your writing style, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know which software can truly elevate your writing, but you might be surprised by what I recommend as the best option for this goal. Let's jump right in, starting with our Rytr. Our Rytr has become a go-to choice for many due to its simple interface and ability to create content quickly. It provides various templates to help with different writing tasks, be it blog posts, emails, or social media content. It's especially useful for people who need to produce a lot of text fast. But when it comes to writing style improvement, our Rytr does have limitations. While it can certainly help you generate ideas or drafts, it doesn't go deep into offering detailed, stylistic improvements. You'll get decent results, but it lacks advanced features for refining your tone, structure, or clarity. Next thing, let's talk about ProWritingAid. ProWritingAid is often seen as one of the most robust tools for refining your writing. It goes beyond just grammar checks and gives you suggestions on style, structure, and readability. It dives into aspects like sentence length variation, vocabulary enhancement, and even consistency in your writing. That said, ProWritingAid is a bit more complex to navigate compared to our Rytr. It's packed with features, but those features might be overwhelming for beginners who just want simple improvements. Plus, while its analysis of writing style is impressive, the AI can sometimes be a little too rigid with its suggestions, which might not suit everyone's voice. The third thing to consider is the user experience. Our Rytr is all about convenience. You can get started quickly and start writing with minimal effort, but the ease of use comes at the cost of depth. If you want a tool that helps you analyze and improve your writing on a more granular level, ProWritingAid is superior. However, that complexity can also be a downside if you're someone who just wants a quick fix. Another aspect to consider is pricing. Our Rytr is more affordable and has a free plan, which is a huge selling point for anyone on a budget. ProWritingAid, while offering a free version, is generally more expensive and focused on people who are serious about writing improvement. If your primary goal is to improve writing style and you're willing to pay a little more for a higher level of refinement, ProWritingAid is a solid choice. But if cost is a significant factor, our Rytr might work better for you, though with some trade-offs. So, after trying both tools and analyzing their features, here's my take. Both our Rytr and ProWritingAid are good at what they do, but if you're looking for more detailed, style-focused writing improvement, ProWritingAid takes the edge. That said, I have an even better alternative that combines the best aspects of both. It's not just about generating content or fixing grammar, it's about elevating your writing style in a way that's both powerful and intuitive. And yes, it's available to you through a free trial via the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Check it out, and you'll see why this alternative offers the perfect balance for anyone serious about improving their writing style.